Good day mga kabayaw. So nagbabalik ang inyong kabayaw. First guys, don't forget to like, follow and share Bimbilason at your service. And so today we will talk about this module. What is this module and what for? And how it work. So yung mga tanong na kailangan natin pag-uusapan. So guys, wag na magpauli. So comment below and we will talk about this module. So para ma-share natin mga knowledge natin to everyone at sa mga baguhang katulad ko. So again, thank you so much and have a nice day and always keep safe everyone. Good day mga kabayan.